look at these balls. Do you know what's this color called? It's orange. Where do you think it should go? The color of the balls should match the color of the fruit. Yep, it goes right here. This fruit is also called orange. Let's keep going. What color to choose next? This one. It's purple. And its color matches this fruit. It's a dragon fruit. Have you ever tasted it? And our next color is going to be... It is going to be... this one! I'm sure that you know it. It's pink. Now, what fruit here is pink, friends? This one, correct, and it's actually a berry, a strawberry. Yum! Alrighty. The next color that I want to choose is going to be this one. Yippee! Look, friends, it's a blue color. And here's a matching blueberry. Well, this one's pretty easy. Let's mix things up. Oh, this game is so much fun. Do you like it? I'm loving it. Okay, here goes the next color. Brown, that's right. And this ball should go right here. It's the seed of an avocado. Okay, dokie, here I come. There are not many colors left in our bowl. I will take this one. What's it called? Yellow, correct. You're doing great, by the way. You see a yellow fruit already? Here it is. Now, abracadabra, hocus pocus. Boom, it's a pineapple.
Whoa! Friends, would you just look at it? We have so many tasty and healthy fruits and berries here. I'd love to eat all of them at once. And which one is your favorite?
Oh, that sounds great. I'd like to eat the one you said too, but let's see what else do we have here. This ball is green. We might even say it's light green. What fruit does it match? A star fruit. Here it is. It looks funny and it's pretty tasty. And the last ball in the bowl. Hey, come here, you little trickster. This color is red, of course. Here it is. And it's called a watermelon. We did great.
Hello, everyone. My name is Big Bird. I came to learn and play with you. Wow, this looks so yummy. Is it a fruit, friends?
Of course, it's an orange. It grows on trees.
I'm Elmo, and this is one of the tastiest things in the world. A watermelon.
Have you ever seen how the watermelons grow? Well, here it is.
Whoa, what is this, a watermelon too?
Oh, Elmo, you are so silly. It's a strawberry.
Hi, I'm Bert, and I love pineapples, just like this one.
I like them too, Bert. Don't they look just amazing?
Hello. All Cookie Monsters love cookies. But today, I'd like to taste this blueberry too. Oh, wait, did I call it right? Is this blueberry a blueberry?
Oh, Cookie Monster, you're so funny. I'm Abby. I love fruits and dragon fruits. Do you know how they grow? Sure, Abby. Look at this. This is a dragon fruit.
What are all these?
Hey, Oscar, this one is avocado.
Nuh-uh. I'd better taste the other one.
It's a tasty star fruit.
Hi, guys. Look at all these fruits. Yummy. Huh? Wait, no! Where did all the fruits go? We gotta find them. Let's go. Wow, so many pretty, colorful balls. They're also squishy. Let's try digging. Maybe we'll find our fruits. Oh ho, I found something. It looks so pretty, but what's inside? Oh, there are some green vegetables. Let's keep digging. There must be something else. Yes, another sparkly egg. Let's open it. It's a yellow submarine. What else will we find? Woohoo! Look, what could it be? It does look like a fruit. Wow, we found bananas! Let's put them in their place. We should keep searching, come on! Yes, another treasure. What's inside? It's a cute blue fish. I bet we can find something else here. Told ya. But what? Oh, we found an apple. Here's its place. Let's see if we can find anything in this sand. But first, how about making a sand sculpture? Maybe even a sand castle. I think I need to add more sand. Yep, the more the better. I'll press down on the sand really well to make our sculpture stronger. Are you ready? We'll see the result in 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Looks great! Let's build the next sculpture, shall we? This time we'll use this purple sand. Wait! I found something! Can it be another fruit for our puzzle? Yes! Do you know the name of this fruit? Right! We've found grapes, my friends! We'll put them in right here. Let's continue and check what this blue sand is hiding. Duh! There's nothing! Maybe we'll find something here. Nothing again. I know. Let's check the green sand. I see something. What do we have here? Do you know what this fruit is called? Wow! Another piece of the puzzle. This fruit is a watermelon. Here it goes. Wow, what do we have here? Aw, this hippo is so cute. Let's check what it likes eating. Nom nom! How about some grapes? Yes, it likes grapes! Next, an onion! Yummy! How about broccoli? Delicious, isn't it? What's next? Oh, a peach! Tastes good! How about eating a mushroom? Yes? Nice! And finally, a melon! Smells so good! Yummy! Huh? What's going on? Do you know what it is, guys? This sweet fruit is called lychee. Let's put it in its place. Wow, we have a whole truck with fruits and veggies. Awesome! Do you know what this is? Right, it's a tomato! How about this? It's a carrot! Bunnies like carrots! What's next? Do you know the name of this vegetable? It's an onion. What shall we choose next? Look at this purple vegetable. Do you know its name? It's an eggplant. What next? What is it called? Do you know? It's corn. And our next vegetable is... What is this? It's pepper. It's very spicy. Chips are made from this vegetable. Do you know it? It's a potato. And this is the star of every Halloween party. A pumpkin. The last item in our truck. What is it? It's an orange. Do you like oranges? I'll put it right here. Now we need to put these colorful fishies into their places. This pink fish goes here. This fish is light pink. I'll put it here. Now, I want to catch this light blue fish. Woohoo! Next, this light green fish. It's gonna live here. A green fish. You go here, my friend. What next? This orange fishy. I'll place it here. A blue fish. It goes down here. A yellow fish will stay next to the orange one. Now which one? I'll pick this turquoise fish. Here it goes. And finally, this red fish. Yay! Here's our reward. Do you know this berry? Yes, it's a strawberry. Here's our next puzzle piece. Wow, so many fruits and veggies. We need to put them on the correct plates. Let's start with this cabbage. Where shall I place it? Well, it's green, so I'll put it on the green plate. What next? What next? Oh, it's a watermelon. What plate does it match? Red? Yellow? Orange? No, it's green, so I'll put it on the green plate. What shall we pick next? Oh, how about this veggie? It's an onion. What plate is the best for it? I think this one's perfect. Next, let's take this. These are grapes. They're purple. So I'll put them on the purple plate. How about this veggie? This is a carrot. Where shall we put it? Nope. Nope. Yes! On the orange plate. Do you remember the name of this veggie? It's a tomato. It's red. So I'll put it on the red plate. Next, let's find the right place for this. This is a plum. It's purple, so I'll place it on the purple plate. What shall I choose next? Oh, I know. This is a lemon. Where shall we put this yellow lemon? On the yellow plate, of course. Now let's find the correct place for this fruit. It's a pineapple. What plate is perfect for the pineapple? Red? No, brown. Ah, look, one more puzzle piece. Let's put it in its place. Here it goes. What's next? Ah, I know. Do you remember what it is? It's a pumpkin. What plate is the best for this orange pumpkin? The orange plate. Now let's pick this veggie. This is bell pepper. It's red, and I'll put it on the red plate. Next, this yellow fruit. Do you remember it? It's a banana. I'll put it on the green. Purple? Orange? No. Yellow plate. It's time to find the right plate for this veggie. It's a potato. I'll put it on the brown plate. Next, let's find the correct plate for this fruit. What is this? Right, it's an orange. We gotta put it on the orange plate. And now, how about this veggie? It's an eggplant. It's purple, so its place is on the purple plate. What next? Let it be this one. It's a red apple. And its place is on the red plate. Let's find the right place for this vegetable. It's a cucumber. It's green and its place is on the green plate. Just one fruit left. This one. It's a pear. I'll put this yellow pear on the yellow plate. Huh. Our pear is a new piece of the puzzle. Here it goes. A new challenge. Woohoo! We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 cups. There's something blue under the blue cup. These items are all blue. What next? The green cup. Ta-da! Wow, lots of green stuff. All these items are green. How about this yellow cup? Everything is yellow. Now let's see what's under the orange cup. Look at these orange cuties. What next? Huh, pink. Oh, look at these. All these things are pink. Just one cup left. This red one. One more puzzle piece. Yay! These are cherries. Here they go. Wow, what do we have here? We gotta find the right place for these shapes. Let's start with this one. Look at it attentively. Which shape do we need here? This orange one looks similar. It's a pentagon. Huh? Oh, the size is wrong. Wait, how about this one? No? Yes, it fits. I think we need this blue shape. Nope, it doesn't fit. I know, we need this smaller pentagon. What next? Let's see. Aha, here it is. Let's fill in this next shape. I want to try this green one. No, it doesn't fit. Duh. I think this might be the one we need. It's a square. It fits. What next? Found it! A smaller square. And now we need to fill in the middle. Maybe this one? No, something is wrong. How about this one? It doesn't fit. Which is the right one? Here it is. Perfect. The next shape. Let's find a similar piece. Here it is. It's a triangle. Fits perfectly. Now we need a smaller triangle. Here it is. And this one goes into the middle. The next one. What shape do we need here? Pick one. Green or pink? This is the right shape. It's a rectangle. Now we need to fill it. Oh, a smaller rectangle. Is it the wrong one? Weird. Oh, I know. It's the wrong position, huh? I see. This way it fits perfectly. And this tiny rectangle goes into the middle. This way. And the last shape. We need this piece. It's a circle. Next, we need this smaller circle. And the smallest one in the middle. All done. Great job. And we've got the last puzzle piece. This fruit is called a pomegranate. Here's its place. Woohoo! We've completed our fruit puzzle. See you in the next video.